Hello, kids. Are you ready to learn addition? Let's start. Addition is about putting things together to find out how many you have in total. Let's say you have one pumpkin, and your friend gives you 3 more pumpkins. When you put those pumpkins together, how many pumpkins do you have in total? 1 plus 3 equals to 4. Come, kids, let's count together. 1 plus 1 equals to how much? That's right. 1 plus 1 equals to 2. Good job. You have 2 donuts in your plate, and your mom gives you 1 more. How many in total? Good answer. 2 plus 1 equals to 3. You have 4 kites with you, and your friend brings you 1 more to play with you. How many are in total now? Excellent. Now there are 5 kites in total. 4 plus 1 equals to 5. You have 3 pigs on your farm. Your neighbor gives you 3 more. How many do you have now in total? Super! Now you have 6 pigs in total. 3 plus 3 equals to 6. An aquarium had 5 sharks, and now 2 more sharks are getting added today. How many are in total? Spectacular! There are 7 sharks in total. 5 plus 2 equals to 7. You have 6 carrots in your garden, and your mom gets 2 more carrots from the shop. How many are there in total now? Excellent! You have 8 carrots in total now. 6 plus 2 equals to 8. There are 5 honeybees in a hive. 4 more honeybees flew in. How many are in total now? You are a superstar. There are 9 honeybees in total now. 5 plus 4 equals to 9. 5 ants went in search of food. 5 more ants joined them. How many ants went in search of food in total now? Fabulous. 10 ants went in search of food in total. 5 plus 5 equals to 10. Keep learning. Thank you.